PTO rake. These things really do work good. It's a good smooth running outfit. It's going to sell on our live auction. That's good, John. 540 PTO. One thing I see, it's got the wrong size tire on here, so there's a stop on these. So that's as far down as it's going to go. But and there is some non-factory welds. They've rebuilt this around this shaft. There's the model number. It's a 380, and just an old rake, but it seems to run good and smooth. But that's one non-factory weld I see. Other than that, so you've got to do something to the PTO shaft. It needs a spring, so you're probably gonna have to do that before you go using it any heavier than what we're using it right here. But the gearbox seems good. They've added this on this curtain. This is non-factory over here. They've added this rod to reinforce it. Teeth are good. There's an extra tooth hanging on it. You get that right with it. And it's going to sell absolute on our live auction.